Hey traders, welcome to the Day Trading Idea Recap. Today is July 6, 2023. Let's take a look at what we did today. So a couple different things. Obviously got that pullback on the market today. We did trade SPX puts out the gate. And then we did play them off the lows. We did have some calls there which worked out nicely. We had about, I think it was like 7-8 trades on the SPX and about 6 of them worked. So pretty decent hit rate in that regard. We did some SMCI short idea out the gate as well. That ended up being a 6-point short to the downside. mRNA short for 1 point. NVIDIA long off the lows for 4 points. ALGN long off the lows for 4 points. And that was just based off support levels holding on the daily. Snow long on the 50 MA bounce on the daily. 3 points. Definitely check that one out. It's one of my favorite setups. AVGO long 2 points on that bounce as well. A couple of calls that we did. We did Microsoft out the gate. Right down here when I realized it had some relative strength, we did the 242.50s for 304%. OXY, my favorite short of the day, and I did tweet this out, were the energy names, the oil names specifically. OXY, 58 puts, 214%. XOM, 104 puts, 118%. We did the OSTK, 28 puts for 100%. Apple, 192.50 calls, 67%. SPX, we talked about those. A couple things that didn't work on the option side. We were really light on the option side in terms of ideas. We only had a couple today. We tried the Meta 305 calls. Those ended up failing. And then the BA calls ended up being a small move, but I'll call it a fail because it really didn't do much. Other than that, though, everything else was fine there. Equity side, same thing. Very high hit rate on the equity side, which is pretty typical for us. We tried UNH a couple times. First time worked, second time didn't. Tesla didn't work this morning. Other than that, everything else did, which is nice. That's about it. So tomorrow's Lotto Friday, guys. Come trade with us tomorrow. Should be an interesting day. Market, I think, will give us a little bit more range. And yeah, should be a little bit busier. And that should be a little bit more fun to trade. You can certainly come trade with us, guys. SpartanTrading.com. We have some promos on for this short week, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, my friends. Talk to you later, and have a great one.